Oh, yun ang stevia. Oh, nice. Kuhanin natin yan. Ito na natin ilagay. Karton na natin. Organic. Oh, jackpot! Nice! Hello, Big Ben. Tingnan nyo, may natapon dito. Okay, ito. Gray Guard Support Hair Color. Hair color. Made from real green peach tea. Uy, ang dami siguro dun. Ito pa. Joints and mobility. Uy, I'm gonna get a bag. I forget to get a bag. Ayan. Ano to?
Look at the size.
Let me put this in a bag. Lagyan natin to sa bag. Pa siya. Where? Oh wow, look at that. Hala, tingnan niyo, punong-puno si Mr. Bean. Ay, parang may nakita kong halaman. Wow, wala ka puno mga Mars. Uy, nice. Saan tayo magsimula? Oh, what does this say? Hala, may landlord stuff. Oh, yeah. May wallet. Oh, may wallet. Is this wallet? Maybe there's money here. Oh,
I think it's just like a note.
Oh, you think? Libro. The Book of God. Ano, ba't dito nila tinapon lang? Pasaway din ito mga nagtatapon ng ano. Okay tayo. Akitin natin. Ano to? Uy, ano to? Hot chocolate to. What you got? Aray ko. Akitin natin. Ay, mahal. Wow. Oh my God. Hala, landlord stock. Uy. Mahal, this is nice. Oh, this is cooler.
There's another one.
Hello, jackpot. Jackpot. I said it's shoes. Oh, it looks brand new. There's the shoes.
Look at juices. Oh, it's got something in it.
It has stuff. Maybe there's some money. Oh, that's cute. Oh, nabubot. Oh, nice. I can send this to Balikbayan box. Oh, get that. Oh, this is singing. I wanna get this. Ang ganda. Oh, mahal, ang ganda nito. Mahal, this is beautiful. I'm gonna take this. This is cooler. Huh? When we go camping? Oh, ang ganda. Ganda, kunin natin to.
Oh, look at the heater. Covered in yogurt.
Oh no. There's some milk, organic milk. Puno. Oh, this brand new shoes. Oy, magbakbak. Ano yung computer lab? Oh,
Yeah, that's what
under.
it said. This,
That's organic.
yeah. It's cold.
How is it? Ala, ang dami. Oh,
Chobani.
that's loaded with sugar.
Oh, for the neighbor.
Yeah, we'll give it to the neighbor.
Brooks.
Oh, that's amazing. Oh, landlord stuff. Ito, ball pen. Oh. Ayan. You dig here, I will go on the other side, huh? Put the stuff you wanna put. I wanna take this.
What about what's in the bag?
It's a toy. I will send it to the Philippines. Ano naman ito? Nasira na. Toys, oh. Pang Christmas. Baka may mga gift pa dito. Ano? Pang display daw. Oh, keep like that. Ano? Sleeve. Oh, cute. Coffee latte. Ito natin yan. Ang daming libro. Okay, mga libro to. Laki, oh. Bible. Oh my God, there's so much. Ano to? Sunscreen. Hindi yan bandang sunscreen. Yeah, that's a computer. Put
Get
the
that yogurt or not?
put this on the side, so we don't mess with that. That's 1% low fat.
Oh,
The milk.
got the
The milk is
Passwords.
1%. Oh, take it.
yeah.
Maybe there's a crypto there.
A what?
Crypto.
Yeah.
Huh? Mahal. Kunin natin to eh. Huwag nating palagpasin ito. Maganda to. Cooler yan ha. Cooler. Ganda ng cooler na yan. Ang laki naman ng bag na to. Ay. Doon tayo sa kabila magkalkal. Doon ako sa kabila magkalkal ha. Tara. I'll go to the other side.
Okay.
Rico. Ito tayo sa kabilang side. Rico. Wow. Oh my God. Ang dami. Ala. Ay. Wow. Hello, Mr. Bean. Ano nito? Sayang kape oh. Tapon yung kape oh. Ano to? Karton. Bukas na ang chips. Ang chips. Uy. Wala yung arena. Oh, tingnan nyo. Kunin natin to. Ay, sayang oh. Sayang oh. Ano to? Baker Patient All Purpose. Kunin natin itong ano. Ito itong dalawa. Kailangan nito nakabukod ng ano. Nakabukod ng plastic. Ayan o. Magkasama naman sila. Sayang. Sayang na sayang. Uy, yun ang stevia oh. Nice. Kunin natin yan. Ito na natin ilagay. Karton na natin. Tapong pala. Ay ko. Ay. Ay. Ang ganda ng ano to. Ng pat oh. Aray ko. Aray ko. Ano natin may halaman. Wala. Pero ang ganda kunin ko. Pasukin natin ah. Aray ko. Ay, sus, kinuha. Ay. Ay, naku. May cereal. May oatmeal tayo dito. Baka bukas. Bukas. Uy, ano to? Tsaka. Bukas na. Ayan, ayan. Mababa tayo itong ano natin ah. Uy, may halaman. Ay, kawawa naman ah. Unahin natin to. Unahin natin yan. Natakot ako para baka bumaba. Ano to? Ano ba ito? Chocolate dito. Nice. Hala. Chocolate. Dark chocolate. Antioxidant. Vitamins. Kailangan hugasan. Lagyan natin sa ibang ano. Sa ibang box ba? Ibang karton. Ibang karton. Ibang karton. Aray ko. Kasi na ano siya. Nalagyan ng aray ko. Nalagyan ba ng inumin? Ayan. Ayan. Lagyan siya ng inumin. Sayang oh. Hello. Ang saya. Tingnan nyo oh. Ayan oh. organic dark chocolate antioxidant blend. Ayan, para may record ako kung ano yung chocolate na yun, kasi walang pangalan eh. Ito bukas na. Egg ito. Everything bagel daw yan. Ano to? Macro. Ano to? Bars daw ito. Ano natin ilagay yan? Ay. Ay. Ito may palaman. Ano to? Palaman ba to? Nati Gourmet. Ay, parang bukas na bukas na yata ito. Bukas na nga. Gourmet daw. Ito pang vitamins. Endurance. Ano to? Oatmeal. Huwag na natin kunin oatmeal. Hindi naman masarap yan. Okay. Diyan ka ha. Ang halaman ko. Diyan ka halaman ko. Ang halaman doon. Keto certified. Whole milk classic. Good culture. Low fat. No. Ito gusto ko. Ayan. Ano kaya ito? Natapunan naman. Ay! Wala ka. Ano to? Organic. Jackpot! Nice! Isa yung natapon. Hala, ang mahal nito. Hala ka. Kukunin ko lahat ang market nito. Organic pa. Alam na talaga na kailangan. Hala. Ano lang? Yung asawa ko nandun sa kabilang nandun sa kabilang side. Uy, naku, may orchids ulit. Lo. Come here, baby. Ililigtas kita. Ay, kawawa naman siya. Ay. Ang daming orchids. Ay, sus ka. Ay. Hello. Pink Ay, nabasag yung niya nabasag yung bahay niya, pero may nakuha akong isang walang laman, kamalaglag kunin ko lahat yan. Yung iba to yung tuyo na. Yung nandito to, almond. Ay, hindi natin ba bigay ko sa squirrel. May almond nuts. Ayun, meron nga. Bigay ko sa squirrel to. Masuwa ang squirrel. Natapon ng mga harina. Hugasan lang natin to. Daming almond. Ang almond nuts. Matuwang alaga squirrel. Diba? Ang dami tao. Ano siya? Uy, ang bigas. Sayang ang bigas. Nagtapon-tapon na. Organic siguro to. Ano yung harina? Uy, ano ba yan? Mali naman yung kuha mo. Ito pa. Ito mga manok. Tubig lang ata katapat nito. Diba? Yung iba kawawa naman. Hindi na siya. Hindi na natin ma-rescue. Uy, may pasta doon. Hala. Ay ko. Huwag natin kalimutan yan. Ay ko. Uy, may pasta. Pasta rito. Ayan. Ayan pasta tayo. Ay. Kawan na. Ay. Kita natin dito tayo. Wala, mabuslo tayo dito. Baka may mahiwagang jackpot dito. Wala, ano pa ito? Uy, landlord stop to ah. Ay, aray ko. Ay, mga ano oh. Kaya ito. Mga may pera dito. Ano to oh, ano? Heater yata ito oh. Electric fan tapos may toys. Uy, kalimutan. Uy, my gold grabe, bagas magtapo ng ano dito ng landlord stuff. CD. Uy, bago to. Ano natin to? Yep. Pala. Ano pa yung natin dito? Ano to? Rikutin. Landlord stuff din to. The President Life. Ito. May notes siya. Galing ah. Ito ba kailangan ni Kanuto doon na sa baba? Ay, excuse me. Okay, ito bago oh. The Presidents. Baka magustuhan ni Kanu yan. Nangalkal siya doon sa landlord stuff. Ay. Ay, ako. Ito. Malaman. Ito. Oh, gift wrap. Flex and seal shipping roll. Okay, kunin ko yan. Okay. Ito mga kalma na eh. Nagagawin ka talaga mga kalma. Oh, may bag dun oh. Ito. Stone ground mustard organic. Bukas. Uy, hindi. Wala natin. Ito yan. Yan. Pangit ng bag. Magic meat. Ano natin yan? Grabe, umaapaw talaga ito si Mr. Bean natin. Ay, ko. Milgro. Uy, tulip. Tulip pala ito. Tulip pala sila. Hindi ko napansin na tulip pala yun. May hipon, hindi na pwede. Diba? Sinapay oh. Ay, kawawa naman ang mga tulip na to. Magbulong na sana to. Ay ko. Ito Tubig na lang ang kulang sa kanila. Ay. Uy. Empty pala. Ano to? Lactose free cream cheese. Organic. Ingat lang. Alright, baba natin. Kinukuha natin ha. Ako. Baba natin ha. Pagkatakot. Wala mabasag siguro. Ayan. May mali pa tayo dito. Wala na. Uy! Ano yung nasa ilalim? Wala. Hindi na good. Alright. Ay ko. Ay, suma. Nalaglag. Ay, nagko. Nalaglag na sa bola. Vitamins. Ay, saan ito? Ang ganda ng crates na po ah. Ito nga. Folding itong crates na ito eh. Ano natin? Ipuport niya ito. Ayun natin. Ayun. Lagyan natin dito yung nakuha natin. Diba? Very cool. Tingnan mo natin ito. May basag na isa siguro dito. Ayun, isa. Hala, mahal kayo nito. Nice. Thank you, Mr. Bean. Wow. Oo nga, isa na basag. Basag pa. Ito, basag ko. Ito, maglagay tayo ng karton sa ilalim. Ano ko? Ayan. Ayan. Kasi siguro to. Perfect. Ayan. Okay. Ano natin ito isang box. Bigot. Yung isang box kunin natin. Are you done yet? Ha? Uy! Sana mabuhay pa yung tulip. Ang ganda ng bulaklak nito. Wait mo. Ayan. Alam namin natin nakuha. Sana hindi ka nabasag. Ilagay natin dito yung flour. Kasi ayan mo pa sila. Okay, nakuha ng asawa ko. Diba? Para hindi ka magalaw-galaw. Ilagay natin dito yung orchids na ano. Ilagay natin dito yung halaman. Ay, ito. Ay. Kailangan alin dyan to. Ay, walang yan. Basta. Buhay pa mga to. Oh, ang gala ng orchids. Mer baby. Oh, puti. Ay, lungkot na niya. Oh. Ha? Nangangalkal pa siya. Ay, mga nakalkal niya dito. Ay, cute oh. Ay, ang gaganda pang display. Are you gonna get all of this? Huh? Hey, you want all of this?
Yeah. Well, that big
This
plastic
one?
bag thing. What is that? Oh, they keep my glasses.
Okay.
That you decide.
What is this for?
Look at the picture.
Oh, I'll take this. Gift wrap organizer. Yeah, kunin natin to. Nice.
That metal thing right there.
Oh,
I want that.
what metal? This one?
Yeah.
Put 'em in. Did you get the star? There was a star like this.
I didn't. I didn't see it.
Okay. Oh, that nice.
Sell those
Rich, vibrant. Uy,
plastic.
nice. Ang dami ano.
Bring you.
Ballpen. The everyday library. Cool. Glow in the dark na color. Oh. Ito. Ballpen. This, you need this? You need help yet? I don't think you need help yet. Are you about finished? Ang galing tumangal kasi ka eh. Pag landlord stuff, ginaganahan. Ooh. What's up, boy? You having fun yet?
Yeah.
No. So what is this thing?
The CD player.
Oh, it's broken. CD player?
This, there, on the side.
Oh, you want all of this? Okay.
Sure, you got
Oops.
me.
Mm.
There was a ceramic breakable in that.
Oh no.
Didn't see drop. Oh. Yeah, I'll take that.
What's
I
this?
think that's a pill thing for vitamin C.
You got a bunch.
Huh?
You got a bunch, like, but it's different. You want to take this?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, don't drop your light. You're gonna have a hard time getting it.
Oh,
It's
that's
just,
broken.
it's just wires.
I remember we were looking for these.
I found a brand new gift of the letter. This is
Oh, there's so many books in here.
yeah. I sell that.
Some clothespins?
That's it. Oh, it's not very strong.
No?
No,
Oh, chips?
it will slip. Even the chips.
Oh.
Yeah, that's not good. So you really go diving, huh? Oh, ballpen. Collection,
Marker.
collection of ballpen. I found jackpot there.
What do you?
1 box of organic avocado oil.
Oh, nice.
It's a whole box. Just one broken. That awesome. Pure Push Alpha Hydro Moisturizing Cream.
Oh, I just shined myself in the eyes. I was trying to see what it was and it was a mirror.
You're not finished yet.
Okay, I think there's money in here.
Oh, go dig. I'm done.
Let's see.
I'm tired. What you got? Oh, money.
Oh, it's gold bars.
Gold bars. Gold
Bombay.
bars. Bombay?
Bombay.
Bombay?
Oh, I
Bomba.
think the pin's the right size for me.
Oh,
Oh, look at that.
look. There's a bracelet. Flowers. Oops.
Oh, that's cute. You want to send that?
Mm-hmm.
Betty Boop.
I bet this is fake. Sisters. Sister. Oh, yeah, it's fake.
I'll skim through it. Oh, now I can go. I found the probe.
How you open this thing?
Oh, right here.
Oh, here.
These rooters. And then I forget to buy one. Oh, here we go. Some scissors.
What's that? It's really at the bottom. Oh, cat food.
It's heavy. Keep blinding myself.
More pin?
Oh, these are art pins.
Nice. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Those are art pins.
Art ball pen. Oh. What else in there? It's fun to dig with landlord stuff. Huh? That's new. You put it in your car.
It's a solar dancing cupid.
Oh, cool it. Cool it. This is you put in your car.
This is for paper towel.
We don't use paper towel.
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna go down.
Okay, what's this? Oh, I bet this is for oil. Stinky stuff.
Stinky oil. Is this? You get this? McDonald's. Oh, it's ceramic.
What do you think? Yeah.
Cool. What are we gonna do with this? Oh, maybe there's money in there. Look. Oh, these are ceramic too. Oh, it's broken. They just tape it.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's broken.
I mean, they look. It's not. Is that?
No, no, that's for the cord. There's a little
Oh.
light that goes in there.
Where's the
Doesn't have
light?
It doesn't have it. But someone might still like to have it.
Okay.
You know, so cheap.
I will display this. Oh, Christmas City Carpenters.
Okay.
Oh, this is cute.
Yeah, all of the little things are there, but
Oh, where's it at?
I don't know. I didn't get them.
That sucks.
Here somewhere.
Here.
You can find them.
Okay, dit. Ang cute nito, oh. Bubot mo yan, bubot. That's thing. Oh, there's missing too.
Hmm?
So it's missing.
It's there somewhere. You can put it backwards. they were out here. They fell out when I grabbed it. What do you think about this? Might be a collectible. I don't know. It looks cheap.
Original.
But it's made. Where's it
It's
made?
in
Austria.
Austria. Oh, maybe this is collection. What's this? What's this?
Oh, excuse me.
What's this?
A star. You put that, and it makes you shine stars on your ceiling. Oh,
Oh, it's a pin.
that's what I said. You think that pin's big enough for me? Oh, here's the bag.
We got 20.
Do we?
That's going to rip, you know. Okay.
Here's your shoe.
Yeah. Okay, I'm done.
Oh. Okay, I can handle much more of the smell. It's cologne, whatever it is. Smell good. So what is this?
Oh, what is that?
Oh, I did. This is a digital picture frame.
Nice. Get it. Ayan mga Mars. Ito na yung ating naharbat sa malaking dumpster kay roll off. Ayan, isa-isay na natin. Ito, meron tayo dito ang computer. IBM computer. Ayan o, may kasamang password. Ayan, may computer tayo dyan. At meron tayo dito na ano to, Sony MP, blah blah blah. At itong cute na bag. At meron tayong original, ano to oh, pangkulam. May yung kulamin tayo oh. Oh, manika. It's a baby doll, maliit na doll. At ang clock na may clock tayo dito, Brookstone clock. This light up and it snooze mahal oh. It has alarm. That's cool. Yan. At ating meron tayo din night light. You know, may kasamang battery, may kasamang ano oh, ilaw. I-plug in mo siya. Ayan siya oh, night light oh. Ayan. At may magnetized shower curtain tayo. Ayan. At itong Living Solution 6-feet component video cable. Cable. At ang ating Christmas thing, ano siya, di battery siya mga Mars. Hallmark brand. I think, yeah, this is Hallmark brand. Ayan, at ang ating mga kawawa naman ng mga tulips. Ilan nakuha natin tulips? 3. 6 yung tulips na nakuha natin. At meron tayo ditong 3 orchids. Ayan pa yung 3 ano natin. Tulips. Ayan, at merong widget Iron Man Marvel. At itong, what was this? I forget what they called it. And we have this glow in the dark crayons, rose art, at ang Uniball gel roller ball pen. Ayan, orange kulay niya. At ito oh, kakaibang ano,
A pin set.
pen set daw ito eh. Ayan oh. Ay, ito.
Professional.
Ang ganda oh. It's beautiful. Ayan.
Wonder if it's made from...
At ito namang Liz Claiborne daw ito, pang damatans na ano, na wallet, pero ang ganda oh. Tingnan nyo oh. Old version ng wallet ng Liz Claiborne. Ayan oh. Yan, at mayroon tayo ditong art pen. Yan, may art pen. At ito mga ball pen collection. At ito na Christmas tree sleeve. Ang ganda niya. At tire, what do you call this, love? What do you call this?
Tire gauge.
Tire gauge.
Pressure.
Tire pressure gauge. So ito yan. Nakuha niya yung pagkalkal niya ng kalkal dun sa basura. Sa ano, Mr. Bean. At ito namang 2-in-1 pen highlighter. At meron tayo ditong Solar Dancing Cupid. O, pang ilagay mo sa karto. Oh. Cute. Yan, itong mga glass design. May mga design yung mga glass. Oh. Maganda pang display. Oh. Ewan ko, pang display ba to? Ewan ko kung may, or may specific na ano dito. Gamit. Ayan. Oh. May starfish. Starfish yata. Ayan. At meron tayong P-Touch label. You make label this.
Oh.
No, brother.
Brother. Oh, okay.
Brother P-Touch. Nice. Ayan. Di battery siya. At mayroon tayo ditong Ancient Nutrition, Joints, and Mobility. Organic, regenerative, organic certified turmeric and noni. These are Yeah, organic. At hindi siya expired mga Mars, oh. March 27, 2025. So, tinapon na nila. Dalawa yung nakuha natin na ganyan. At meron tayo ditong Sleepy Temple Blend Buddha Teas. Ayan. Ayan. At ang Mary Ruth Grey Guard Sports Natural Hair Color Liposomal Ultra Absorption Liquid Supplement. Peach Vanilla Dietary Supplement. Ayan. Masarap siguro yan, no? At Recreate Endurance. This is passion fruit. At ito ay yuzu citrus. Highlands Natural Cell Salt. Cut floor. Ewan ko dyan 6 times. Ewan ko dyan. At itong mga chocolate, oh. Organic dark chocolate antioxidant blend. So, for ano siya, oh. Meron siyang with beetroot, tart cherry, grape seed. Yan o, semi-sweet, vegan, gluten-free. So, ito yung kasamahan yan. Yan yung box. Tatanggalin ko. Pangit ng ano na box niya. Ito yung iba o. Madami tayo. 3 box yung nakuha natin. Ayan. At meron tayong Go Macrobar Mini. Ayan, vegan. At isang box. At meron tayo dito Mood Magic Organic Uplifting Superfood Powder. Kuli. Nice. Cacao, boba, hibiscus, and cinnamon blend. Yung sound 2, dalawa yung nakuha natin. Ito naman, Got Bliss. Got Bliss siya. Ito, Mood Magic. Nice. At ang jackpot na organic Notiva organic avocado oil, 100% pure, 500 degree Fahrenheit high heat cooking oil, neutral taste. These are good oil mga Mars. Jackpot to para sa akin. At ang isa na ay $100, ang isa ay $20, so 5 na to ay $100 na tayo. Ayan, pira na yan. Pira. Diba? Jackpot tayo na dyan. At meron tayong Starbucks hot chocolate, Starbucks peppermint, Starbucks salted caramel, at ang ating Sida Remedies Elevate Your Nature High Vibe Chocolate with Botanicals. Made in organic cacao. Physical and emotional wellness. Nice! Yan o, dalawa. At ito naman ay Energy Chocolate. Energy naman siya. Yan. At meron tayo dito ng imported from Italy. Rouse homemade fusilli macaroni products. At ang organic Sprouts Organic Stone Ground Mustard. Nice. Ang galing. O, tingnan nyo, hindi expired o. October 19, 2025. At ang Cascadian Farm Organic Gluten Free Mini Fruitfuls. Ayan, cereals. At ang purely cereal. At ang ating Zevia. May Zevia tayo dito. Zero sugar soda, grape flavor. Ayan. At ang ating vegan refried ranchero beans with avocado oil. Nice. At ang ating Suja Organic Digestion Ginger Pineapple, yung mga isang lagok lang ng probiotic. Ito naman ay elderberry apple zinc probiotic immunity. This is immunity at digestion. At ang Glowfence Radiant Skin Defense with antioxidant power. Wow, puro healthy goodies nakuha natin, oh. At ito na 8 greens made from real greens. Peach tea. Yan ba? Tinanan. Ay, vitamins. Asan na yun? May listahan to dito. Ayan, oh. Ano siya? Spinach, aloe vera, wheatgrass, kale, blue-green algae, spirulina, chlorella, barley grass. Ayan. 1 contains as much. So, magtitake ka nito pag 10 tablet, oh. Everyday daw. Ayun, oh. At hindi din siya expired. So, March pa, 2025. Nice. Nice naman talaga. Zero sugar, the RY1 tea. Half and half. It's, tea half and half. Perfectly sweet. Ayan. At ang ating, ito na yung harina mga Mars, oh. Dinagay ko na sa ano siya. Sa isang bag. Yan, oh. Diba? Gamit natin yan. At meron tayo dito ng made with cage-free eggs, not flour. Not flour. Egg life. Nice. It's keto. Awesome. Perfect. Nakakito ako ngayon. At meron tayo dito madaming spicy hot cheese. Almonds from Sprout. Oh, this is masarap. Oh, ang dami, oh. Siyam yung nakuha natin ito. Diba? Ayan. Sobra big savings ang pamamasura po. Basta tiyaga lang ng pangangalkal. Salamat sa aking asawa na masipag magkalkal. Sinipagan siya kagabi. Oh. Diba? Dami natin nakuha. Oh. So, ayan mga Mars. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa aming video. Pa-subscribe and like at pa-comment and share na din po ng aming video. Salamat po sa panonood. See you on my next video po. Bye!